Gold extraction from electronic circuit board. This is an old electronic circuit board. It has gold as an important ingredient. We see, and there are some hidden inside many more. Let's see what to do with it. To separate the gold. It is just a gold-plated material. Not all gold. It is an old motherboard connector with gold-plated legs at the point of connection of the circuit. This is a good electrical way of gold. Let's start by creating a fire. Hay scraps. Branch with smooth ends. Potassium manganate. Sugar. How to spot a fire. You can do it. Pour the potassium manganate into the smooth surface. Pour the sugar into potassium manganate. Equal volume. Bring down the end of the wood smooth to rub it. Amazing, it will cause fire. We have a fire. Then the next step. Create a fire with charcoal. We will disassemble the gold electronics with a charcoal fire. This step you should have a protective glove. Gas mask and the clamping device is hot. Bring the grill circuit to charcoal grills. When the lead is melted, you will easily disassemble the electronics. You have to do it fast. And watch your circuit boards. It burns and it smells very foul. YouTube Archimedes channel. Please share it and subscribe. Watch also our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. This is an electronic component we have removed from the circuit board. Of course it has gold as a component. I like it a lot. I am psychotic every time I see this golden color. Gold, 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 gold. Electric circuit made of gold. It is very beautiful. Legs of old gold-plated electronics in the thickness of gold, more than current. You will find plenty of gold by electronic circuit boards. High-tech, old-fashioned. This is a socket we have removed from the old motherboard board. Gold-plated sockets are very thick. We use a hammer to separate the gold-plated legs. We think you might have a better way. Try to comment. It is gold-plated, but many people think it is gold. The next step is to bring the gold plating material, soaked with nitric acid mixed with water. This is the only example step you can take with nitric acid mixed with 1/4 water. Pour water down. Pour nitric acid down. Please be careful the acid with splashes. The chemical is working. It will dissolve the metal. And it is the gas that is produced by the chemical reaction into toxic gases. You must be careful of danger. It makes you die in the future. You will see gold floating on the surface. This is beautiful but dangerous. Filtration of gold with synthetic fibers. We will get 2 types of gold. This is the first gold we have received. The gold comes out of the material. This part of the hair is soaked in nitric acid for 1 week. Clean out the nitric acid out and do the next step. I like this time. The color of gold, really beautiful. You will see some nitric acid parts are not melted. Causes we put too little nitric acid, or at a time to soak less nitric acid. You can fix it by splitting the gold by hand, if possible, or by soaking it again with nitric acid. I would like to say that nitric acid is a good gold sorter for gold alloys and gold plated. Gold aqua regia dissolving, chloroauric acid, gold refining recovery, pure gold precipitate. Aqua regia consists of 1 part nitric acid and 3 parts hydrochloric acid. Pour nitric acid into hydrochloric acid. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. Pour the aqua regia acid into the raw ingredients. Wait for the aqua regia acid dissolve gold, no more left. How to filter my gold water. I use cotton stopper water flow. It works very well and saves money in pocket. When gold is, the water is dissolved. Water filtered. Water will gradually flow. Wait for you and fill up the rest. I use Foggy Clean Gold water attached to raw materials. You will see no gold attached to the raw materials. Next step, we will precipitate gold using urea and sodium metabisulfite. Of course, you used to use urea tree. It can grow better than ever. This is urea. This is sodium metabisulfite. Gradually enter the urea a little. If you put a lot of urea at once, it will cause bubbles. Severe overflow and may put the urea over. Put until urea saturation or stop melting. gradually enter the sodium metabisulfite a little. If you put a lot of sodium metabisulfite at once, it will cause bubbles, severe overflow and put the sodium metabisulfite over. Put it until sodium metabisulfite saturation or stop melting. You will see changes in water color. Turns brown. You will see a brown gold sediment that shows you are right. I'm going to change it to deal with gold dust. I selected the wrong container. Leave for 2 hours to precipitate gold. Slowly pour the water out. Bring gold sludge to wash with hot water 2 times. You may have to wait for the precipitation of gold. After you wash the gold dust with hot water, you make the gold dust powder to dry. You will get gold dust, like our example. Bring the gold dust powder, melt gold. The way I do it is old-fashioned. You can use it as a guide to suit you. Put a little bit of borax powder to make the melting better and beautiful of gold. Bring the gold into the water mixed with 1:1 nitric acid. Nitric acid water helps to make the gold clean and beautiful. This gold extraction of gold 2 grams. Personal opinion, I think this work has a lot of gold compared to raw materials. I hope it will be useful for everyone to use as a guideline for extra income or your hobby. If you are interested or support us can be donated at the link. See you again in the next video clip. Thank you for follow.